continue our model here. So before we proceed, we just have a recap what we have done last time. As you can recall, we have created this wood effects on our windows. Also, we tried to change this material here for our glass. And finally, this color here of our walls, we also changed this one by using this edit. See this one here? So we can play with this color here. So right now, we are going to prepare this drawing to create a roof. So what I will do now is to draw here a reference line around 600. Okay, then I will save this file here. Okay, so now I have this reference and the file was saved. So right now I will create this roof edges markings. Okay, select, I'm doing this so it's very easy for me to locate the edge of my roof. So now I can copy this. So I'll copy this one here. Control copy, Control V. Okay, then I will delete this one whole file. You might be asking why. Because in Sketchup, perhaps I'm using a laptop. When your file is become heavy, your image still tends to hang up. So what I will do is to create this separate file. Then I will just copy this and paste it to my previous drawing. So I will paste this one as a new file. Save as sample roof. Okay, save. Okay, so I will copy this, move to the corner. Okay, so this cut, so I will join these 2 points. Okay, and delete this line here. Then I will copy all this one and make offset. Okay, so I will take any points here, then bring this one and pull this one. So I will write here 600. So my edge is now done. So this is now the edge of my roof, 600. Oh, okay. So I do this line here. It's cut. Okay. Cut here. Okay. So cut these corners. Cut. Okay. Oh, I think there's 700. Anyway, no problem. It's 600, correct. 600. Which is okay, 600. So now I can delete these outlines that I have here. So delete. So I will not get interfered with my model later on. Delete. 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 Okay, now the drawing is fine. So I will take this midpoint and cross it over here. Also this midpoint from here to here. Okay, midpoint from here to here. Okay, so now I have my 4 corners. So from here I will draw around let's say 1200. This is the height of my roof. So here 1200 height of my roof. Then connect these 2 points. Then I will do this line here. Okay, I do this line over here. Okay, done. This line here. Okay, this is a simple illustration, okay, but it's very useful when you're doing your own design. From here to here. Okay, done. Then going to the other side. Now it's starting to make a roof here. Then I will this line here from here to here, from here to here. Okay, now we have a roof here. Okay, well, good. and also this one here, and also this one here. Okay, so I will go to the other side. Now I'm creating a regular shape roof. So from here to here. Okay, I take the midpoint from here to here. Okay, then midpoint from here to here. This way, midpoint here. Okay, draw line up to here. Okay, I will draw line here. Same 1200. Again, this is just a demonstration. Huh? 100, then connect this 2 point here. I will do line going here. I will do line over here. I will line from here to here. Line from here to here. Line from here to here. Okay, line from here to here. Okay, now we have a roof. Very fast, right? Easy as that. So we have now this regular shape. So what I will do now is to delete these unwanted lines here. This line here. Delete this line here. This line here. Okay. So cool. Delete this line here. And here. Oops. Okay. Done. All unwanted line was deleted. Still on here. So we'll create the type of the roof. We'll go to material again, right side of the corner, go to roofing. From here you can select any kind of material that you want to use. Use extend. So let's say I want to use this. So you simply click, then select, 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 select. Wow! You can change the size of this material here. You can select, so you can play with this. So you want to use 1000, and check that it's become bigger. Okay, you want to use 500, becomes smaller. Okay, this is how you play. If somewhere you don't like this material, go back to your material. Okay, select. Then, for example, you want to use this material here, and select, 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 select. For example, you're still not satisfied with this. We'll try another one. Let's say this. Select, 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 select. You go around here. Okay. Get one here. And this one here. So as you can see here, we have now your roof. Cool, right? Very easy. So, for example, you want to change the size of this roofing here. You want to say use only 600. Okay, so done. So what's missing here? The missing here is your gutter. Okay, so what we'll do now is just create we'll just draw a line here for our gutter size. So down, okay, it's around 400. Then, oh, it's big. Let's say around 200 to make it realistic. So 200 deep gutter and 200 wide. Then go up again. It's around 200. Then it's around 50. Then around 100. Then set thickness around 3 millimeter. Okay. So from here, get another 3 millimeter width. From here, we'll create another 3 millimeter here. Or you can just simply draw a line. Since this is the sample, you can make a line here. From here. Better to make it offset, to make it easier, okay? So it's better to make it to make offset. So select this line here. Okay. A problem with my mouse, sorry. So I will select this, control, then offset, and make it around, let's say 3 millimeter. Okay, it's done. Then I will join these corners, so I can draw a line here. Okay, and another one here. From here to here. Okay, from here to here is very small. Okay, we just this is line here. Okay, now we will select this, highlight this one up, follow the tool. Okay, drag this gutter here. Oops. Okay, so this one here. Then the tape. Okay. Okay. Tape. Bottom tool. Tape. Follow the tool, tape. Follow the tool. Now your gutter is completed, correct? All right. So we'll take a look around of this one. So we have the gutter in just simple ways. Okay, just use this okay, follow me tool, then you can make a gutter of yourself. Okay, it's done. So I've said earlier, we'll paste this one on our model. Okay, cool. Okay, so as you can recall, we have created an old file. So we're gonna have two files, this roof and this original file that we have. Okay, ignore. So right now, as you can remember, we have created this border here to we will know the edge of your roof, but we have added a gutters. The gutters, I remember, make it around 250. So we added another here 250. Okay, so this is now the edge of our roof. So what I will do next is around 200, because this is 250. Okay, just to make sure, just measure this one up. How much is the from edge to edge? Tape, then measure from corner from edge to edge. Okay, around 250. Right? Okay. So we'll list this line here. We just add around 50 to 200. Sorry, 200. Okay. So now I'm ready to copy my file here. This roof. Control copy. Then I will paste it here. Control V. Then okay, from here I will move my file. I will take from the bottom, from this corner, move from the bottom here. I will connect it here. So now we have our roof here. It's done. So cool, right? So we'll just rotate this one here so we can look all around. So roof is done and everything is done. Actually, you can play with this color again with your roof here. So right now we have now this model completed, including the roof. So later on we'll do some rendering here, as I've said earlier. We'll try to do some rendering here so it looks like more realistic. Okay, again we'll do some recap what we have done for this drawing. First, we have created a new file for this roof and we pasted it here. Again, why? Because when your drawing is become bigger, your drawing tends to hang up. So that's what I did, make a new file for this roof and copy this one here. Oh, I think I mistakenly did this. So you can see the edge of the roof here. Okay, done. So now your model is complete. And again, we use this follow me tool to create this gutter here. Gutter, as you know, is to catch this rainwater or anything that will even ice. If you are in USA or in some countries that have snow, it will help catch this dirt, leaves, and ice. And actually, the purpose of it is for that one, so it will not scatter all around, and rain will fall into one place because we have a pipe here, drain pipe here, rainwater drain pipe. So again, thank you gentlemen for watching. Hope you learned something from this video, and I believe you can create a model of your own in creating this roof here. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.